Dear students, today in the present situation when all of us we are having tough time, all of us are facing so many problems, but we should not give up, because all of us we know that during normal situation when such problems were not there, we were totally relaxed and very normally we were tackling the days. But today when we have a very critical situation, tough situation like this, we should not give up, we should fight against such tough situation, because one can't run away from the situation. So every day with a positive attitude, start your day and take care and continue your daily schedule. So let us start with the remaining, or I can say last part of the chapter, halogens. Last time we have covered few important reaction of halogens, बराबर? केमिकल रिएक्शन ही हम लोगों ने देखे हैं लास्ट टाइम. तो आज हम ये 3 रिएक्शंस के साथ चैप्टर को वाइंड अप करेंगे. So let's start with the first reaction, Wurtz-Wittig reaction. Now Wurtz-Wittig reaction, it is a name reaction, इसलिए ये बहुत important है. Here let's see the reactants. One reactant is haloarine, chlorobenzene. Second reactant is haloalkane, which is chloromethane. 2 atoms of sodium, and whenever we know that one of the reactant is sodium metal, then the reaction is carried out in ether medium. कौन से मीडियम में? ईथर. क्योंकि सोडियम एक्वेस मीडियम में वायलेंटली वाटर के साथ रिएक्ट होता है, एक्सप्लोसिव रिएक्शन होता है. दैट्स व्हाई द मीडियम हैज टू बी ईथर, ऑर्गेनिक सॉल्वेंट. नाउ हियर द बाय प्रोडक्ट इज 2Na and 2Cl. So 2NaCl and methyl group from here is attached to benzene ring. तो आपको ये कंपाउंड मिलता है जिसका नाम है मिथाइल बेंजीन, और इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड टोलुइन. नाउ द सेकंड नेम रिएक्शन, Ullmann's reaction. Now this particular chemist, he took directly 2 molecules of haloarine, that is iodobenzene. क्या नाम है इसका? iodobenzene 2 molecules. और यहाँ पे मेटल है कॉपर, लेकिन रिएक्शन ऑलमोस्ट फिटिंग रिएक्शन जो हमने पढ़ा था लास्ट टाइम उससे थोड़ा सिमिलर है. तो यहाँ पे 2Cu and 2 iodine atom will form Cu2I2, and this benzene ring gets attached to this benzene ring, and we get this compound which is called biphenyl or diphenyl. And now the third reaction, reduction reaction. And you know what is the meaning of reduction reaction? Reaction with molecular hydrogen or reaction with nascent hydrogen. And here haloarine molecule will react with nascent hydrogen, which is produced by nickel aluminium alloy. इन बेसिक मीडियम. तो निकल एल्यूमिनियम एलॉय जो है बेसिक मीडियम में नेसेंट हाइड्रोजन प्रोड्यूस करेगा. नेसेंट हाइड्रोजन इमीडिएटली रिएक्ट विद haloarine molecule. These 2 hydrogen atoms will take away 2 chlorine atoms forming 2 HCl, and what is the main product here? Benzene. So you get 2 molecules of benzene. So these were the last three reactions for the topic halorings. Last time I have told you that one distinguishing test for haloalkane and haloarine. Haloalkane and haloarine distinguishing test is there. One test I have given in my notes. अभी आपको एक सैंपल दिया हुआ है ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड का, आपको पता नहीं है कि वो हेलो अल्केन है क्या हेलोअरीन है, तो आप पता कैसे करेंगे? तो ये टेस्ट है। अभी ये टेस्ट क्या है, वो सैंपल आप ले लो एक टेस्ट ट्यूब में, एक लिटिल सैंपल इन वन टेस्ट ट्यूब, ओके, देन यू ऐड KOH सॉल्यूशन बेस। KOH सॉल्यूशन लेना है, वही टेस्ट ट्यूब में KOH सॉल्यूशन ऐड करो, बॉईल करो, फिर कूल करो अंडर टैप वाटर। कूल करने के बाद डाइल्यूट HNO3 ऐड करो, एंड आफ्टर एडिंग डाइल्यूट HNO3 यू ऐड AgNO3 सिल्वर नाइट्रेट सॉल्यूशन. If you get PPT means precipitate solid, white color solid or slightly yellowish whatever. If you get a PPT that means haloalkane is present. और अगर आपको PPT नहीं मिलता है तो आपका सैंपल क्या है, हेलोअरीन. तो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टेस्ट है, 1 मार्क के लिए पूछा है बोर्ड एग्जाम में पहले भी. सो रीड दैट टेस्ट प्रॉपर्ली. Okay, and the last part of the chapter, the structure of DDT. So DDT, which is an insecticide, structure I have already given in my notes. Practice the structure well. Okay, very important structure. Okay, so with these concepts today we wind up with this chapter, haloalkanes and haloarenes. So next time for the new chapter, wherever possible I will send you the notes PDF. Otherwise from my lecture only, for my video link you have to copy the notes which I am writing on the board. Just keep in mind, because we don't have time. So for important part, for the coming chapters, new chapters, wherever possible I will send the notes. Okay, and then on video link only I will instruct you. Okay, which all notes you have to directly copy from my video link. So that's all for today. Practice the reaction well. Take care. Have a nice day. We'll continue next time. Thank you.